Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your YMCA employee account. For this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome. Now, bring up the search bar and type in YMCA employee login and hit enter. Now, guys, make sure that it will take you to the official website www.ymca.org. Just click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page. Scroll down a bit. Now, here, enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on the login button, you'll be easily able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on reset your password, then you'll be able to recover your password. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.